And during that time, hindi ka na makapasok sa Pogo Hub. That was June of 2024.
Yes po.
Now it's August. Saan ka nakatira ng July? From June to July?
Doon po sa mga kaibigan ko po, Mr. Chair.
Saan yun?
In Angeles din po.
Sino mga kaibigan?
Mga friend ko po sa flying school.
Sino nga ang mga kaibigan?
Allowed ba kung
Please
magsabi
state their name.
allowed ba kung magsabi ng pangalan ng ibang tao, Mr.
Of course. Because we have to invite them.
Can I ask for legal advice from my legal
Oh,
counsel
yes.
po, Mr. Chair?
Dapat nga eh. Wala na akong time. Ito.
Mr.
What's the advice of your lawyer?
I am willing to give their names in private naman po to you
In?
po. In private po to you, Mr.
In private?
Chair. Yes.
Why in private?
For their privacy naman po, Mr. Chair. That's why I didn't...
Privacy. Well, in fact, they will be invited. In the next hearing.
Actually,
Eto, Dela Sir, na kanina pinapakinggan na kita kaya sabi ko, eto kung sinungaling ka. And now, I am proving my, yung ano ko lang kanina,
yes,
that you're lying to Congresswoman Sonsing. Now, bakit hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ng pangalan?
Privacy po kasi nila yun, Mr.
Sorry?
Chair. Privacy po nila yun, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Ayoko po silang idamay dito sa...
Eh, nadamay ka nga dito. Ano, you lied when you tell this committee a few hours ago na nagrenta ka.
Nag-rent ako...
No, nagrent ka ngayon lang.
yes, last week lang po ako
Oh,
nag-rent.
but
To my
I'm
name po.
asking you, when Kong Swan Sing asked you, sabi mo nag-rent ka? You
Starting this
never
week po.
tell this committee na ngayong buwan lang kasi critical months is November to May of this year.
Andun po ako sa Angeles po, sa Porac po, na property ng nila Ma'am Cassie po, Mr. Chair.
Ito kaya ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, sino yung kaibigan mo? Why you cannot disclose the names?
Ayoko pong idamay siya sa gulong itong napinasa
If you
ko.
not tell us the name, I will move to cite you in contempt.
Pwede ko pong pag-isipan, Mr. Chair.
Pag-isipan until when?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, I'm sorry.
it's already past 10 o'clock. If Mr. De La Serna will not answer the question of the Honorable Paduano, I will move that we cite him in contempt. There's nothing involving national security for him not to answer the query of the Honorable Paduano.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. Mr. De La Serna, this is your last warning. Please answer the query of Congressman Paduano.
Ano pangalan? AR?
You have 1 minute.
Suspended ba tayo?
AR, may pangalan ba o wala? Are you pretending to think about a name? Kasi, alam mo, nagdududa kami sa
No po,
actuations
Mr.
mo.
Chair.
Ha?
Ayoko pong idamay yung kaibigan ko po.
Hindi naman siya madadamay. Imbitahan lang po natin siya kung talagang umuupa ka sa kanya. Yun na naman gusto ni Chairman
To be
Paduano.
honest po, Mr. Chair, this is
Ha?
very stressful.
Is there really a name or none at all? Kasi,
Yes.
alam mo, sa tingin namin, you're just pretending na meron kang inuupahan doon. Kasi hindi mo masabi yung pangalan eh. Just tell us the name.
Mr. Chair,
What is the name?
I remember, Mr. Chair. Just to put into context, I was listening intently the question of Congresswoman Swan Sing. It was very clear when she asked the witness, bakit nandun yung mga gamit mo? Diba? When the raid happened. Ang sabi niya, in May, he rented a space. I think the raid happened in June. So maybe sometime there, nag-rent na siya. So ganun talaga yung pagkarinig ko rin na De La Serna, nagre-rent ka na doon sa space na yon. I mean, just near the ano. So basically, Mr. Chair, she was lying and maybe she lied to Congresswoman Swan Sing.
Mr. De La Serna, meron ka pang opportunity before we rule on the motion to cite you in contempt. Pwede bang sagutin mo yung tanong ni Congressman Paduano?
Eman po, Mr. Chair.
Again?
Eman po.
Give us the full name.
Eman Jorquales po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Eman
Jorquales.
Jordanes.
Quales.
Can you spell the last name,
Pwede
please?
kong tingnan sa phone ko, Mr. Chair.
Ano, no?
Pwede kong tingnan yung spelling ng family name niya sa phone ko po, Mr. Chair.
louder.
Can I look at my phone for the spelling of
Oh,
his
yes.
family name?
Yes, but as long as you can give us the name, the complete name, the full name of your friend. Friend mo yan?
Jerquales po, Juliet, Uniform, Romeo, Charlie Alpha, Lima, Echo, Sierra po.
Oh, did you get the full name, Congressman Paduano?
Mr. Chair, we direct the COMSEC to get the exact name of that person that was mentioned by
Comsec,
Mr.
kindly approach Mr. De La Serna and tell him to give you the full name of his friend.
And Mr. Serna,
Including the address, Mr. De La Serna. And contact number.
Sorry po. Yes po, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. De La Serna.
Chairman, can I proceed? Last na, maybe last or two. Mr. Lacerda, binigay mo na ba yung number ng friend mo? Comsec? Nasa'yo na ba? Mr. Lacerda, pag hindi mo binigay yung exact number, and we'll call that number to confirm indeed that number is owned by that person, balikan kita.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Papasay ka yung contempt ulit ni Chairman Akop.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Yung address, binigay mo na ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, last. Oh, eto Mr. Lacerna.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano, yung mention mong name, kaklase mo.
Kaibigan ko siya from Clark po, Mr. Chair.
Not your classmate.
No po, Mr. Chair.
Sabi mo kasi kanina, friends.
Friend ko from the aviation life ko in Pampanga po, Mr. Chair.
But he's not your classmate.
No po.
Pero sabi mo kanina, friends, who are those other persons? Doon ka ba nakatira sa kanya?
Yes po.
Sino kasama niyo doon sa bahay?
Uh,
Ano ba yan? Apartment?
yes po.
Nirerentahan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Mr. Lacerna, who pays your tuition and the school expense?
My family pays for it, Mr.
Sorry?
Chair. My family pays for it, Mr. Chair.
Your family? Pamilya mo?
Yes po. Pero may understanding po ko, Mr. Chair, na kailan ko po siyang bayaran pag naging pilot po ako, Mr. Chair.
Kanino? Doon sa school?
Sa family ko po, Mr. Chair.
Your mom?
The family of my father po, Mr. Chair.
Lakasan mo nga.
The family of my father po, Mr. Chair.
The family of your father. Okay. So, sigurado ka na doon sa address at saka sa phone number.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can I interject?
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Ay, hindi pala full address.
Anonas. Can I interject, Chairman?
Yeah, please.
Eman are
Jercales.
Jargoles?
Yes po.
Kapapangan yun ba to?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Kapapangan? Kapapangan ako. Marunong nga Kapapangan?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Narinig ko kanina sa'yo, Anonas.
Yes po, Barangay Anonas. Yun po yung nire-rent ko po ngayon. Yung sa akin na po.
Andun ka nagre-rent. Pero kung saan si Eman,
Sa Clark po yan.
sa Clark. Saan sa Clark? Hotel ba o bahay ba ron?
Parang condo po siya, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Condo po.
Kondo?